Hello, my name is Pat Roosh, and I'm from Arroyo Grande, California, and I am a retired dietitian. I wanted to come to Front Sight after I'd heard a lot of great things about it, and my motivation was to learn more about guns. I've owned guns for 20 years. I have 2 handguns, and I told my husband I couldn't operate either one of them if I wanted to, so he said, fine, whatever. He's a retired correctional officer, but he said whatever I wanted, so I quickly joined Front Sight, and I was so excited I got my daughter and her husband to join, and our first time here was just so exciting. It was just really, really nice, and we couldn't be happier with our membership. My experience here at Front Sight has been nothing but positive. The staff is so nice. You feel like a family. When I first came here, I was not real good at shooting. And after my first 4-day handgun class, the instructor made me stand up, gave me a big standing ovation hug, and gave me my certificate. Now, I didn't do much, but I did complete the course, so I felt really good. When I get home, I tell my friends and family where I've been. They always ask, where were you? And I tell them I went to Front Sight, which is a gun training school. The women sort of scoff at me, and then I go into my spiel about how much I learned and how I can take my handgun and put it together and load it without even thinking about it, and unload it and clean it and do all of those things that I was afraid to do before. And they don't say much after that. I just tell them it's just a great place if you're afraid of guns to come and learn about guns. The only people I know that are afraid of them are people that don't know about them. Dr. Piazza, I would like to tell you, this is a fabulous place. Women are comfortable here. It's very nice. The facilities are wonderful. You treat us wonderful. You treat us with like intelligent people, and there is absolutely no separation from the treatment of men and women here. It's a wonderful, warm place to be. One of my major reasons for coming to Front Sight is the current economic situation around the world, not just in our country. And we're fastly losing our rights. And I want to be one of those people that has a gun, who knows how to use it should something happen. You never know if you're going to be one of the most unfortunate people in the world, and having to go beg and steal and whatever from other people. And I don't want to be one of those people. So I want to protect my home and my family.